In today's session, we are going to see statistical machine learning for data science with subject code PAD 702 for 7th semester. And I'm going to execute the lab programs. First program here is data. Our data set contains the prices of houses in a city. Find the 25th and 75th percentile and calculate the interquartile range. How does the interquartile range help in understanding the price variability? So I am here referring to the VTU circle. VTU circle. Click on laboratories 2022 scheme 7th semester statistical machine learning. See a notice given. It's recommended to run these programs in the PyCharm IDE for the best experience and easier execution of the Python programs. But we can also execute these programs in ideally. So I will just download Python ideally. Click on official link. The latest version is 13.3.7 and it is just 27 MB file. I will just open it. Show in folder, double click. Then just make sure to tick this add Python exe to path. Then just click on install button. We'll just get installed. Until it is installing, just let go through the program. First program. Here we are importing the NumPy library as NP. Import NumPy as NP. Then house prices. Here are the some values given. Then Q1 is the variable for the 25th percentile, and Q3 is the variable for the 75th percentile. Calculate the interquartile range IQR. IQR is equal to Q3 minus Q1. Then print results. Here are the print statement, and this is the required output based on this input program. So just let's see our Python IDE. It is successfully installed. Just click on close and search for IDE. Then just open it. Okay, then just click on file, new file, close this, and just split it, and just copy the code, and then just paste it. And then to save it, just you can press Ctrl S to save. I'm giving the name as SML1, Statistical Machine Learning 1. Then just save, and you can just run it from here. Click on run button, module, run module, or you can directly press F5 button. And this will show the output. Okay, the output is similar to the given output. Thanks for watching and stay tuned with me for further videos. Thank you.